Check out the aggressive stance on this 2026 Can-Am DS450 XMC. The LED headlights provide...
Hey everyone, welcome back to Wheel-Wise Joe. Imagine ripping through the dirt with explosive power, razor-sharp handling, and that legendary motocross DNA, all in a brand new 2026 package. If you're an adrenaline junkie, hold on tight because today we're diving deep into the new 2026 Can-Am DS450 XMC. The beast that's got everyone talking. This isn't just another ATV, it's the revival of a true icon. The DS450 has always been the king of sport quads, built for those who crave motocross-level performance on the trails or dunes. And for 2026, Can-Am is bringing back the fire with the XMC edition. Think extreme motocross cross-country vibes dialed up to 11. Right off the bat, let's talk heart. Under that aggressive plastic sits a potent 450 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, liquid-cooled and fuel-injected for instant throttle response and brutal low-end torque that launches you out of corners like a rocket. We're talking serious horsepower, enough to smoke most competitors in straight-line blasts while delivering that signature Can-Am snap. The EFI system keeps it crisp at any altitude or temperature, so whether you're at sea level or high in the hills, it never bogs down. The real magic happens in the chassis. The XMC variant comes loaded with long travel suspension that soaks up whoops and big hits without sacrificing control. Up front, you've got double A-arms set up with serious travel, paired to adjustable shocks that let you fine-tune for racing or aggressive trail riding. In the rear, that swing arm design with beefed-up linkage gives you planted stability at speed and incredible articulation when things get rough. It's wider, taller, and more planted than your average sport quad, making it feel like a full factory race machine straight from the showroom. Braking? Dual hydraulic discs up front and a powerful single in the rear clamp down hard when you need to shed speed before that next jump or berm. No fade, no drama, just confidence. And let's not forget the tires. Aggressive knobbies wrapped around lightweight wheels, gripping loose dirt, sand, or hard pack like glue. What sets the 2026 DS450 XMC apart is the attention to detail for real riders. Ergonomics are spot-on, narrow seat for easy movement, high handlebars for standing attacks, and foot pegs positioned perfectly for aggressive body English. The bodywork is sleek yet durable, with that iconic Can-Am red and black scheme popping under the sun. Add in practical touches like a digital gauge cluster keeping you informed on speed, fuel, and more, plus electric start for hassle-free fires. This quad isn't built for beginners. It's for riders who live for the rush, whether you're hitting GNCC-style trails, motocross tracks, or open desert runs. It's lightweight, nimble, and ferocious, turning every ride into a competition against yourself. If you've been waiting for a true high-performance sport ATV revival, the 2026 Can-Am DS450 XMC delivers in spades. Power, handling, durability, it's all here in one aggressive package. What do you think? Is this the quad you've been dreaming of? Drop a comment below with your thoughts, smash that like button if you're hyped, and subscribe to Wheel-Wise Joe for more in-depth reviews, ride footage, and ATV breakdowns. Hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, ride hard, stay safe, and keep those wheels wise. See you on the trail.